This is the Leisch Life battery operated cordless leaf blower here. It's a very light duty leaf blower. I have some other leaf blowers that I use for like grass and things like that. This one is strictly for like just blowing debris off the patio and things like that. It's not heavy duty. You're not going to get a lot of like oomph out of it. It's nice for just cleaning up like the patio area, just miscellaneous light debris. I am a repeat buyer of these. I did have one before and just used it a lot and just had to replace it. The battery ended up failing, but it lasted me a couple of years. So this is my second one, and I'm just very pleased with it. It's a very light duty one. It's 3 pieces here, 1, 2, and 3. So it's very easy to put together. It ships in a small box. And then the battery, I'm very happy with the battery life. It lasts a long time. Very low sound output from this, but again, it's not going to be heavy duty. You're not going to want to get this for like huge grass clippings or anything, but if you're just looking for something to clean up like an area and just keep everything nice and tidy, you absolutely want to check this one out because it's, like I said, it's very light and very easy to move around. This is the yellow one. It does come in other colors, but again, it's the Leisch Life cordless leaf blower. Highly recommend this for light duty cleaning.